Tired of complicated and expensive ways to send money to your loved ones in Nepal? Let's simplify it with Remitly. First, head over to Remitly.com or open the Remitly app on your phone. If you don't have an account, you'll need to quickly create one. It's free and straightforward. Now, specify the amount you want to send in your currency next. Select Nepal as the country you're sending to. Remitly will instantly show you the current exchange rate. Keep an eye on this, as it fluctuates. Choose how your recipient will receive the money. Options typically include bank deposit, cash pickup at various locations across Nepal, or even mobile money transfers. Bank deposit is often the most convenient. If you selected bank deposit, you'll need to choose the recipient's bank from the list. Popular options in Nepal include Nabil Bank, Asia Bank, and Himalayan Bank. Enter the recipient's details accurately, including their full name as it appears on their ID, address, and their correct bank account number. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Choose your payment method: debit card, credit card, or direct bank account transfer. Remitly will clearly show the transfer fees associated with each option, so you can choose the most cost-effective one. Review all the details carefully on the final confirmation page. Make sure everything is correct before you hit send. Once you've confirmed, Remitly will provide you with a transaction ID. You and your recipient can use this to track the transfer's progress, and that's it. You've successfully sent money to Nepal with Remitly.